Let's see if she'll start. I hope she does. I'll turn her off after like a second and then try to start her again a few moments after that. Because I gotta get some oil in her because she was dry for a little while. It's been a while. It's definitely been a while. She started up though. She's doing her thing. Voltage already went down quite a bit. Let's see if she'll start up again. Hey. Let's turn on the gauges. Hopefully there's no catastrophic things going on while I'm in the car. She's spinning, that's good. Can't see if there's any leaks. I don't really see any oil leak. I do see a little bit of smoke, but not a lot. Coming from under the car. They don't smell bad. Hey, we're getting some readings. Some readings, not sure if they're that great, but you know, we know it's working. A work in progress. So what I'm going to do is I'll be back. We'll record another video. I'm actually kind of happy. I'm going to go celebrate because I haven't started in so long. And then when we get back, we are going to, I'm going to hook up the computer and we'll go from there. Adios. All right, moment of truth. Connected. All right, it was the plug. I fixed that. Let's go here real quick. Yeah. All right, let's start her up, guys. See if it makes a difference. Start out my little fans over here because it's hot as shit. Definitely do hear like a hissing. I'm assuming that might be the vacuum leak from the gauges. It kind of sounds like that's where it's coming from. So I might have to check that out. Check temps actually to see. She's not hot, so. Readings. Not getting anything from the throttle. Try not to be scared of all the smoke, you know? Still doing good. That's, you know, good. Kind of seems like it smokes a little bit here and there. Might be one of the hoses I have clamped off. Maybe it's leaking a little bit somewhere. I'm gonna shut her off for a little bit now. Actually, you know what? Okay, so that didn't learn for the idle, so actually let me try something. Alright, attempt again. So now we've started her, got her connected to the computer, was able to finally get it to relearn, doing data logs, and now let's see how she's doing. I gave her like a tiny bit of throttle just to see if she was getting any type of throttle. For a little bit. Check the prop gas up.